Alright, so today I would like to welcome you, cephalogists. We are studying cephalopods today. You guys, be prepared to be amazed, wowed, and delighted because cephalopods are super cool. Does anyone know what a cephalopod is? Any guesses or ideas? Are you guys like, I've never even heard this word before?
Squid, octopus.
So she said squid and octopus. Those are two examples of cephalopods. Kings play chess on fine green sand. So our biggest is our kingdom. What's next? Phylum. And then what's next? Are we ready to share our knowledge? So pick your favorite cephalopod fact.
This is just for me. So I thought octopus and squid were sort of the same, but they're not really the same. They're actually really different.
Yeah, awesome. So how many arms did the octopus have?
I think the octopus have 8, and then the squids have 10.
Coconut octopuses that carry around the big shells, and they hop into them when in danger or just hiding, which is really cool because like, I don't know, it seems like a lot of work for an octopus, but it's also pretty smart too.
I liked how like the cuttlefish disguise is really cool. How they like change colors. It looked really amazing.
What did they use to change colors?
They used the chromatophore, I think.
Yeah.
Chemical or
Chromatophores. And we'll actually get to see chromatophores when we dissect our squid today.
I thought it was really cool that like the mimic octopus would like mimic other animals like we saw in the video, like a flounder, to catch like maybe prey or just to get away from something.
Is we are going to make a dichotomous key. Remember how we talked about there's so much life? And we had to organize it from big broad groups into smaller and smaller and more specific groups? Yeah. So a dichotomous key is a way of organizing a bunch of different organisms or things. So I'm going to split you guys up into groups, and you are going to make your own dichotomous key. You are going to get 6 objects. You're going to name each object with a genus and species name. So this one may be like Incus penicus, Waterbolicus thirstamus. So we've given a genus and species name to each one of our items, right? Now we're gonna have to separate them, okay? So it's a yes/no question. There's 2 answers, dichotomous key, right? So my first question is going to be, is it used for drinking? Okay? Is it used for drinking?
yeah.
Is it used for drinking?
Yes.
Is it used for drinking?
Yes.
Is it used for drinking?
Aquarius plus Tokias Bottolosi Tona or something.
Perfect, thank you. All right, this group, what is your favorite genus species object?
Sticius malicius.
Doppelschadiso espressiso.
Thank you, perfect.
I love